Being a curator, a comprehensive overview. This document provides an in-depth exploration of the concept of being a curator, as discussed in the provided transcript. The purpose of this document is to analyze the roles, responsibilities, and implications of curatorship in the context of societal structures, particularly as it relates to governance and law. Introduction to curatorship. The concept of a curator differs significantly from that of a creator, particularly in the context of societal roles and governance. In this discussion, curatorship is explored as a civil obligation, wherein individuals are responsible for managing and protecting public and personal affairs. This duty extends beyond mere creation; it encompasses maintenance, oversight, and the safeguarding of rights and resources. It is important to understand the legal and civil responsibilities associated with curatorship. This role includes managing estates, ensuring legal compliance, and protecting the interests of those who are not able to do so themselves, such as minors or those incapacitated. The civil curator. In the societal framework, the civil curator plays a crucial role. Unlike public servants who serve governmental or public interests, a civil curator is responsible for individual or private interests. This distinction is significant, as it highlights the autonomy and responsibility placed on individuals to manage their own affairs in accordance with civil laws. The civil curator's responsibilities include managing personal and familial estates, ensuring that legal and financial obligations are met, and advocating for their rights within the legal system. This role can involve complex interactions with legal entities, requiring a deep understanding of legal structures and civil rights. Understanding civil and public law. The interplay between civil law and public law is a central theme in the discussion of curatorship. Civil law pertains to the rights and responsibilities of individuals, particularly in private matters. Public law, on the other hand, governs the relationship between individuals and the state. Navigating these legal frameworks requires an understanding of the different duties and obligations that arise under each. For instance, civil law may deal with issues such as property rights and inheritance, while public law might address regulatory compliance or public welfare programs. The role of the law in curatorship. Legal frameworks provide the necessary guidelines for curators in executing their duties. In the transcript, references are made to specific legal documents, such as the statutes at large and various acts, which outline the legal standing and obligations of a curator. Understanding these documents is crucial for anyone in a curatorship role. Additionally, legal protections such as those afforded under civil rights laws play an essential role in safeguarding the activities of curators. These protections ensure that curators can fulfill their responsibilities without undue interference from governmental or public entities. Practical implications of curatorship. Practically speaking, being a curator involves a set of specific tasks and responsibilities. These include managing financial accounts, ensuring legal documentation is accurate and updated, and advocating for the interests of the individuals or entities they represent. Curators must also be prepared to interact with various legal and governmental institutions. In many cases, curators are required to navigate complex legal and financial landscapes, requiring not only diligence and attention to detail but also a strong understanding of the relevant laws and regulations. Curatorship in historical and cultural context. Historically, the role of the curator has been significant in cultural contexts, such as managing cultural heritage institutions. This traditional role emphasizes the conservation of cultural artifacts and the safeguarding of historical narratives. However, in contemporary society, the concept of curatorship extends to personal and civil domains. Modern curatorship involves navigating both private and public challenges, balancing the responsibilities of upholding personal interests while adhering to public